Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to use the purge command and what purge command does. So before we see how to use the purge command, let us understand what purge command does. Purge command removes unused items from drawing, mainly which includes blocks, layers, styles such as the dimension styles, text styles, multi-letter style, etc. So I'm going to use this cubicles drawing. Here it states that drawing contains some unused layers and blocks. Now, purge command can not only be used to remove the contents which were not used, but also to see the contents which were used and which were not used, and then decide whether to remove or not. So the command for purge is pu enter. If you don't remember the command, then you can go to application menu, drawing utilities, and select purge from here. Now, when you come in this dialog box, you have two options: view item, which you can purge, means the items which were not used in your drawing. For example, under blocks on expanding, it is showing keyboard del. As you can see, on desk there is no any keyboard, or in simple terms, keyboard del block was not used. If I go to view items which you can purge, and inside block you will find this chair. As you can see, chair was used. As it was used, it is coming under you cannot purge and you cannot remove it. So this way you can see the drawing contains blocks and the layers and the dimension styles which were used in your drawing. Now I'll go to the view items which you can purge and say I want to remove specific item from this unused list. Say this monitor. After selecting content, select this purge button and select purge this item. Now if you don't care about whether to remove specific item or all item, you just want to remove all the unused item, select this purge all option and then again select this purge all items. You may find some remainders are still there. These are because of the previous contents which you removed had some nested or inside items. So you don't need to worry about what these items are. You just need to select this purge all option again and purge all again, and one more time. Now you can see there is no any more item left, and that's why purge all option is not appearing anymore. I'll select this close. Now you should use the purge command at the end of drawing creation, because if you use in the starting or in middle of the drawing creation, then you may remove the items which you may find useful in the future. And while trying to look for that content, say for the example block, now if I want to use the keyboard I cannot use because I just removed it. So that's why you should not use it in the starting or middle. You should use it at the end when your drawing is finalized. Now one more thing that you should keep in mind: on using the purge command, the drawing file size will reduce, and it will reduce by nearly 10 to 20%. So if the file size is 100 KB, after purging the file size will size nearly 80 KB. Now this doesn't make a big difference because in today's generation we have computer storage in terabytes. But smaller file size will open quickly in your AutoCAD, so that will save your time. I hope you enjoyed this video and like this video. If you do, then use the thumbs up button, that will encourage me to upload more and more videos in the future, and use the subscribe button that will be giving you the notification of the future video that I will be uploading on this channel. And I think I'm pretty much done with this video. Bye, see you in the next video, and till then, TFTBA.